Understanding Murmur in Agreement, a deep dive into English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations: murmur in agreement. Understanding such expressions can really elevate your language skills. So let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations. First things first, let's break down the phrase into two parts: murmur and in agreement. To murmur means to say something in a low, soft, or indistinct voice. It's much quieter than regular speaking and is often used to convey a sense of confidentiality or subtlety. On the other hand, in agreement means to be in a state of concord or to share the same opinion as someone else. So, when combined, murmur in agreement refers to the act of expressing concurrence or approval in a soft, gentle voice. It's a way of showing that you agree with someone without saying it loudly or explicitly. Now that we understand what murmur in agreement means, let's see how it's used in sentences. This phrase is particularly useful in settings where subtlety is key, or when the situation calls for a quiet affirmation. In literature, you'll often find characters in books murmuring in agreement during secretive meetings or intimate conversations. It adds a layer of realism and depth to the dialogue, showing that agreement doesn't always have to be loud or overt. In everyday conversations, imagine you're in a meeting and someone proposes an idea that you think is brilliant, but discussing it openly might disrupt the flow of the meeting. Instead, you might murmur in agreement to the person next to you, subtly showing your support. Examples: after the team leader shared her vision for the project, the room was filled with murmurs of agreement. "That sounds like a plan," he murmured in agreement, nodding slightly to emphasize his approval. Understanding the context and tone is crucial when using phrases like murmur in agreement. Since the expression conveys subtlety and often a shared understanding among those involved, it's important to use it in the right circumstances. It's a gentle, understated way of showing unity or consent, perfect for situations that require tact and diplomacy. We hope this deep dive into the phrase murmur in agreement has been enlightening and that you can now confidently incorporate it into your conversations and writing. Remember, the beauty of English lies in its nuances, and mastering expressions like this one can truly enrich your communication skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the depths of the English language.